Hi students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome to our maths class. The previous class we discussed about digit numbers and how many zeros, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, etc. You can't read the numbers in crore and 10 crore. You practice from home to read the large numbers. It enhances your reading ability. Okay? It enhances your reading ability. Now we learn about new activity. How many forms of 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh? How can write the various forms of 10,000? Listen here. Many forms of 10,000. Many forms of 10,000. Listen. Listen here. 10,000. How can write the various forms of 10,000? Let's we try. Yeah. First one. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. And next 100. 100. Next 100 ones. Other method. 100. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. As listen here, the various forms of 10,000. 10,000 ones. One form is the 1,001 and next form 10,000 and 100. Different forms of 10,000 and 10,000. 10,000. Listen, 10,000. You can write 10 into 1,000. 10 into 1,000 is 10,000. Okay. Next, 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. These are many different forms of 10,000. Do you understood? Many forms of 10,000. The first activity, today's first activity, 10,000. Many forms of 10,000. 10,000 ones is 10,001. 10,000 into 1 is 10,000. And 10,000, 10,000. 10 into thousands are 10,000. And 100 into 100 are 10,000. Got it? Do you understand? Any doubt? No. Listen here. I will show the chart. All of you listen. Yes, 10,000. 100, 100. And 1,001. 10,000. 10,000. 100, 1,000 tens. 1,000 tens into 10,000. 100 into 100, 10,000. 1,000 into ones are 10,000. 1, 10,000 and 10 into thousands are 10,000. Write your notebook. And next activity, many forms of lakh. Many forms of lakh. Same repetition and 100,000s are lakh. 100 into 1,000 into thousands. 1,000 into hundreds, lakh. 10,000 to tens, lakh ones, 1 lakh. 10,000 into lakh. Write your notebook. Write down. The first activity and second activity, many forms of lakh. Write down. Next, other work, activity, many forms of 10 lakh. Many forms of, activity 3, many forms of 10 lakh. Are you finished? Okay. Next activity. One number, different form. One number, different forms. One number, different forms. Next activity. Yes, all read this number. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Read the number. 85,495. Hey, one number, it is the one number. And change different forms. This is the one number and change the different forms. How can we write? Let's we try. Okay. Okay, listen. 5 ones. 5 ones. Okay, 5 ones. Do you understood? 5 is ones. And 9 tens. Okay. Next 4. 400. 400. 5,000. 5,000 and 8. 10,000. 10,000. It is the form. This number 8 different forms. 5 ones, 9 tens, 400, 5,000, 8 10,000. Next method. $85,400, 9 tens and 5 ones. 85,400, 9 tens, 5 ones. Next. Tens, 5 ones. May I clean this part? Okay. This number 85,495, write the various types. This, you can write this number 85 into 1000. Okay, 4 into 100. 9 tens. 9 tens. 5 into 1. 5. And add this number 5, 9, 4, 5, 8. 85,495. Next, this 85,495 into 1 is the same number 85,495, and this 10. 85, 490, and 5 into 1. 5. Yes, we get 5, 4, 9, 4, 5, 8. Then we get the same number. One number, different form. So one number is the 85,495 to write various forms of numbers. Are you finished? Any doubt? No. Next activity. Okay. Are you ready? The third activity. Today we learn to third activity. Activity number 3. Population. Population. Some states of India, according to the census of 2011 census rate. I will show the chart. All students listen here. 13 states census including Kerala. Okay, listen here. Okay, the population of some states of India. The population of some states of India according to the 2011 census. 2011 census states are this part and the population rate. States rate this state name: Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Goa, Punjab. 13 states. And the population rate this part. Jammu Kashmir. You can read this number. Amal, try it. Yeah. 1,25,48,926. Himachal Pradesh. 6,85,6,509. Uttarakhand 10,11,6,752. And Haryana 2,53,53,081. Rajasthan 6,86,21,012. Uttar Pradesh 19,95,81,477. And Bihar 10,38,04,637. Sikkim 16,07,688. Kerala 3,33,87,677. Tamil Nadu 7,21,38,958. Karnataka 6,11,30,704. And Goa 1,45,07,723. Okay, next, last Punjab 2,77,04,236. All read this population rate and the 13 states. And which is the least population state? Which is the state with the least population? Which is the identify the table. Which is the least population? Yeah. Say aloud. Which is the least population? Yeah, very good. Sikkim 60,07,688. What is its population rate? 60,07,688. And which is the largest population? It's the largest population state. Which is the state, the largest population rate. Identify the table. Read. Once more read. Uttar Pradesh. Yeah, very good. 95,81,477. Once more repeat. 95,81,477 is the largest population state. The next question, what is the difference population between these two states? What is the difference? How can you find the difference? Again, find the difference. The largest population rate minus the smallest population rate, then we get it different. Again, find the different population, largest population minus smallest population. Then we get the difference of these population rate. Do you understood? How can find? Once more, I can find the difference. Largest population rate minus smallest population. Then we get the difference of these population rate. And next question number 4. What is the population of our neighbor state Tamil Nadu and Karnataka? Which is our state? Kerala. Neighboring state Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. What is the total population of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu? Again, find the total. Population rate, the Kerala population rate 3,33,87,677 plus Tamil Nadu is a Kerala population rate, and the addition of the population rate Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. These population rate 7,21,38,958 plus 6,11,30,704 is add this number, and then we get the total population of two states. Got it? Any doubt? Total population, the add these population rate Karnataka and Tamil Nadu population rate, the add, then we get the total population of these states. Is the question for 5. How much more is the population of Uttar Pradesh than Bihar? Again, find the more population. Uttar Pradesh population minus Bihar population rate. Then we get a more population rate. And last question, order the state according to their population. Last, order the population rate. Dear students, make more questions based on the table and present the class. I hope all students understand today's class. Listen, all students do the activities. Thank you.